Absolutely undeniable proof of God. Anybody who denies this video will be denying logic, reason, math, and science. And don't worry, my sources will be included in this video. Scientists, biologists, chemists, and entire institutes have set out to calculate the odds of a protein forming by random chance to create the life that we see today. The word protein comes from the root word protos in Greek, which means first. So what are the odds and the probabilities of a protein, the first building block of life, forming by random chance? What are the odds? For a quick reference, the law of probability states that anything beyond the chances of 1 in 10 to the power of 50 are impossible of happening. This is accepted by all of academia. This is a mathematical law that can never be broken under any circumstance, period. Anything beyond those odds are considered impossible, irrational, and unreasonable according to all of academia. So once more, here's the law of probability for you. And then here are the names of the scientists, institutes, biologists, and chemists. Bang! And here are the numbers that they've all calculated. Bang! All of them are over the law of probability, several times over. And to illustrate this for you with an analogy, imagine picking a needle out of a haystack, but instead of needles and haystacks, it's a single atom out of all of the atoms in the entire observable universe. So let's say that you beat the odds and you picked out that single atom out of all of the atoms in the entire universe. You got that lucky single atom. Well, guess what? Now you've got to do it a billion times in a row. It's impossible, literally. Also, to the people who say that, oh, well, aliens made life. Aliens also have to abide by the creation of proteins that are also impossible. Who made God? Nobody created God. Atheists usually say, well, how did God begin to exist? Well, can you tell me where infinity ends? If you can understand that infinity implies that there's no beginning or end, then you should be able to understand how God has no beginning or end. He's infinite. Also, another thing worth mentioning, atheists also say that, well, given enough time, anything is possible, right? Wrong. According to the second law of thermodynamics, matter cannot exist forever. There is no infinite universe. If you cannot see that the complexity and beauty that exists in nature implies an intelligent designer, then you seriously need to get your eyes checked, period. I almost died from cardiac arrest and came back to life. When I was resuscitated back to life, I opened up my eyes and I said, God, are you real? And a voice told me to go open up a Bible. Lo and behold, I got my hands on a Bible about 2 minutes later. When I opened up that Bible, the first thing I read changed my life forever. I opened up that Bible, and the first thing I read was Exodus 9:16. He has kept you alive for this purpose, to proclaim his name and his power throughout the earth.